How to make concrete elephant ear bird baths. Bird baths do not merely function as watering holes for the neighborhood birds, squirrels, raccoons and other animals, but they also serve as decorative features in your landscaping. Bird baths are usually made from plastic, copper or concrete. Many bird watchers prefer to make their own concrete bird baths, but when you mix and pour your concrete, you're not limited to a standard bird bath bowl and pedestal. You can shape your bird bath in the form of a leaf, specifically a large elephant ear. Things you will need: elephant ear leaf, scissors, 30 pounds bag sand, plastic wrap, 60 pounds bag cement, cardboard, paint optional, paintbrush optional, sealant optional. Select the elephant ear leaf for your bird bath. Look for one with prominent veins and no holes or tears in it. Cut off the stem as close to the base as you can with a pair of scissors. Make a pile with the sand, and place a piece of plastic wrap over it to cover it. Set the elephant ear face down on top of the plastic wrapped sand pile. Mix the cement with water per the directions on the cement. A good mix should be thick, not runny, much like the consistency of mud. Place the cement onto the very center of the elephant ear, and smooth it out to the outermost edges of the leaf. Cover the large veins on the elephant ear as well as you can with the cement. Be careful that you don't accidentally tear a hole through the leaf. Make a rim for your elephant ear bird bath. Cut out a long, 1/4 inch wide strip of cardboard. Place the cardboard all around the outer edges of the elephant ear, and use the cement to blend it in with the leaf. Lay plastic wrap carefully over the elephant ear bird bath, and let the cement harden for 48 hours. Turn the elephant ear over carefully, and take off the plastic wrap. Gently peel it away from the leaf. Paint your elephant ear bird bath and seal it if you desire.